visit family members during Eid and to chit-chat with them? And if there's free mixing, can we stay home and call them?
Okay, first of all, it is not a sunnah per se to visit family members during Eid. It's a cultural thing. And whenever the culture does not go against Islam, then this is permissible. We gather in Eid. And it's difficult to say, okay, Sheikh, what's the ruling on giving Eidiyah? What money that we give to children as a gift? It wasn't done by the companions, so it's a bid'ah. No, it doesn't work like this. What's the ruling on gathering on lunch? We invite relatives and we eat lunch on the first day of Eid. It wasn't done by the companions. It wasn't done by the companions. These are cultural things. Greetings of Eid, jubilation and signs of happiness. All of this is something good. It's not limited to 1 + 1 = 2. It's open with the grace of Allah so that there wouldn't be any hardship upon the Muslims. So if the culture doesn't go against Islam, it's fine. But the moment you say, okay, we visit relatives in Eid, that's good for you. Watch your diet because they offer a lot of chocolates and things. But they have free mixing, Sheikh. Now this is haram. Immediately you block this. Okay, Sheikh, they would be offended. Tough luck. I'd rather them being offended than Allah being angry with me. I can't be in a place that is freely mixed. Either you segregate or I'm not going to visit. I'm just going to give you a call or send you a text